welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with LeetCode 150, evaluate reverse Polish notation. This is quite a popular and good question from stack. This is not in blind 75, but blind 75 has only one stack question, which is not enough to understand the basics and like how stacks work. So I'm creating more videos other than blind 75 so that we can understand the data structure in a more better way. So let's begin without any further delay.
So here's the question. You are giving an array of strings or token that represent an arithmetic expression in a reverse Polish notation. Evaluate the expression and return an integer that represents the value of an expression. The valid operation are plus, minus, multiply and divide. So let's see an example. So we'll receive an array of this. These will be the string. I'll just not keeping in. So what we have to do, these are all strings. So what we have to do is every time an operator comes, we have to do that operation on the last two elements. So here what we have to do is 2 plus 1, and then we have multiplication with 3. So this operation should be performed from this array. So let's take another example for 13, 5, divide and add. So we have one division here. We take last two elements, we divide those, 13 by 5, and this will be one element. And then we have another addition. We add 4 plus the element that will be given by 13 by 5. So this will be 3 plus 13 by 5. Okay, so this should be the, and operating this should give us an answer. So let's see how we can do this. So what we can see is these are using the last. If an operator comes in, we are using the last two numbers. We are using the last two numbers from the array. So what we can do is, since we are using the last element, the last element usually means which have been like recently pushed into an array. So what we can do is then create a stack. If number push, if not pop two numbers and do operation. So from this problem, from this example, we push 4, we push 13, we push 15, and then a divide operator comes in. We pop 15 and 13, and so not 15, 5. We pop 13 and 5. We divide this. So what will be this? This will be 2 is an integer, and we push in again. We push the answer into the stack. Then we have another addition, and we add 4 plus 2, giving in 6, and 6 is our answer. Similarly, in this problem, let's see in this problem. So we push in 2, we push in 1, we got addition. This gives us 3, and we have 3 again. We push in 3, we have multiply, which gives us 9. So we will be returning the last element of the stack after the array is done. So let's see this question in the coding session to better understand how this can be done.
So here we are with the coding session. So let's write the algorithm first. So we create a stack. push into push the elements into the stack if number and operate the last two elements if operator push the result in the stack. Okay, this is the basic algorithm that we can write for this program. So we'll create a stack using an array. For I in tokens, we go through every element. So in the example 3, we can see that there is -11 as well. So we can have negative values also as a form of string in the token. So if I dot is numeric. So the is numeric does not look after the negative values. So we have another we have to use another function that is called lstrip. So what lstrip does is remove from the left side. So we have to remove the negative sign from the left side and then check if it is a numeric, and then if it is a numeric, then we can append. We do not have to strip before putting into a stack, because we have to make sure that the negative value is negative and the positive value is positive. So we just want to strip the left value minus to check if it is numeric. Okay, so if lstrip minus, we remove the minus, then check is numeric, and if, then we append the value. Okay, else we check the length of stack. If 2, it has to be greater than or equal to 2, because we need two numbers for the operand. First equals to int stack.pop. So since those were string, we need the int to cast into an integer. Second equals to int stack.pop. So these are the two values. So again, if I equals to plus stack dot append first plus second, let's copy this, and elif I equals to minus. So let's see, while adding and multiplying, the first and the second operand does not have to be in the fixed order, but in subtracting and dividing, it has to be in an order. So let's see, while we are in this case, while we're dividing, this is the first value and this is the second value, so it will be like second by first, or if it is in the negative, it should be in the same order. That means like second minus first. So which is in the first order matters, because first plus second and second plus first gives the same value, but first minus second and second minus first does not give the same value. So that's why we have to check that. Elif multiplication stack Oh no, let's uh, paste the first one and do a multiplication, and for the last division let's paste the subtraction one. Else second, and then we return integer of stack 0, because it will be the only value remaining in the stack. Let's see if I have any made mistakes. No mistake, it got accepted. So let's submit. Beats 65%. The runtime and memory both are not that bad. So yeah, this is how we can solve this problem. If you guys have any other ways to solve the problem, feel free to comment down. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And also these videos are for educational purposes. I create this video for at first for myself, so that I can have better understanding of different data structure and LeetCode problems. If you feel like I have made any mistake or I could have done any better, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.